Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'm really excited to share a significant experiment I've been working on, N2, the next iteration of both Nuido and Nuido Flow. If you're new here, a quick recap. Nuido is a library I built to create node-based UI for Odoo, and Nuido Flow is the app that lets you build automations using those nodes. Let's jump in and see what's changed. First off, N2 has a brand new look. While the core interaction is still drag and drop on a node-based UI, N2 features a cleaner and leaner aesthetic. The big win here is that the nodes are now more tightly spaced, which gives us a lot more workspace to build complex flows. Of course, you can still change the look and feel by modifying the style sheet, just like in the first version. From the user perspective, everything else is pretty familiar. We still have the node list on the left side menu and the workspace on the right, with the toolbar on the top right side. Since N2 is still in the very early experimental stage, I can only show you the basic operations here. To create an automation workflow, we drag nodes from the node list and drop them to the workspace. We can move the nodes on the workflow, select multiple nodes, remove the nodes, process the nodes, and run the workflow. One major functional difference is that the original Nuido didn't have an undo-redo feature. Guess what? N2 now has native undo-redo. This is a huge quality-of-life upgrade, enabled by the command design pattern I'll talk about next. N2 is built on an entirely new client architecture. I developed this primarily to explore and demonstrate the use of the command design pattern and a strong preference for composition over inheritance. I won't go into deep architectural details right now, but overall, this approach makes the N2 codebase much simpler. Another difference is the use of third-party tools. While Nuido mainly uses OWL, N2 is an experiment in integration, demonstrating the use of libraries like Zod for validation and Immer for immutability. For those of you who like to build your own tools, the node registration process is now simpler and more configurable. For debugging your flows, N2 provides clear visual feedback. When enabled, N2 shows visual cues on the nodes. Nodes will show a yellow border when it's processing. When it's done, it shows a green border. If there's an error, it shows a red border. My plan is to port all the existing Nuido nodes, the trigger nodes, data nodes, and all the way up to the AI-related nodes, over to this new N2 framework. If you like what you see and want to follow along with the experiment, all I need is your support. Please consider giving my GitHub repo a star and sharing it with your friends and colleagues. You can find the source code for Nuido and the related add-ons in my GitHub repo, and I'll be putting the source code for this N2 experiment up there soon too. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like, share this video, and subscribe to my channel to see what I build next. I'll see you then.